Emma was a new mother and she was struggling with breastfeeding her newborn son. Her cracked and sore nipples made feeding an excruciating experience, and she was on the verge of giving up. However, after attending a breastfeeding support group during World Breastfeeding Week, she gained the knowledge and confidence to persevere. An experienced mother shared some useful techniques and recommended a lanolin cream. With the support of fellow mothers, Emma was able to overcome the challenges and successfully breastfed her baby. The World Breastfeeding Week is celebrated every year from August 1st to 7 in over 120 countries. It aims to raise awareness of the significant benefits of breastfeeding for newborns, mothers, and society. Breast milk provides essential nutrients for a baby's growth and also strengthens their immune system. For mothers, breastfeeding reduces the risk of postpartum depression and breast cancer. It also helps in spacing out pregnancy. At the societal level, breastfeeding leads to lower healthcare costs and reduced environmental burden. However, despite these benefits, global breastfeeding rates have stagnated at around 38%. Barriers such as lack of family and community support, aggressive marketing of baby formula, and unfavorable work conditions for nursing mothers have made it difficult to raise breastfeeding rates. The World Breastfeeding Week brings together individuals and organizations to promote actions that support women to start and continue breastfeeding. Community support groups organize rallies and events highlighting the importance of breastfeeding. Hospitals and workplaces promote policies that facilitate nursing mothers. Governments renew their commitments to the WHO's recommendation of exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months of life. Social media campaigns spread information about proper breastfeeding practices and debunk common myths. While progress has been slow, global breastfeeding rates have slightly increased in recent years thanks to the collective efforts of all advocates and supporters. The World Breastfeeding Week continues to be an opportunity to come together each year, raise our voices, and take action so that one day every mother's choice to breastfeed becomes a reality. Through shared dedication and perseverance, we can make that vision possible. Here is a painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful World Breastfeeding Week. Cheers!